Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TEUM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer a quick explanation video right there. So go to that link and I will explain in detail. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but this one has already been bearish, but the past couple of days have gotten that much more bearish, including today where the price just continues to put in new lows that haven't been seen for a very long time. But it's been several days since the last update, so I wanted to get some of the newer levels of support and resistance mapped out here. So as far as levels of resistance are concerned, let's start off there. Initial level of resistance, if there is any sort of attempted bounce, is going to be the former area of support from today, and that's up there at 92 cents. So 92 cents started off as an area of support, but a foundational rule in charting states when levels of support are broken, which it was broken right there, you would expect them to act as resistance. Well, I'm not saying that 92 cents can't be broken. All I'm saying is that if the price does stabilize out and then start to work its way back upwards, that first kind of, big battleground where the price is going to have to prove itself is going to be right there at 92 cents. So 92 cents near-term level of resistance. Looking at things from more of the overarching point of view, it's all about that purple line right now, the 50-period simple moving average. If you go through the history of things, you can see this line has really been a thorn in the side of the chart. Several times the price has gotten up around that area and just hasn't been able to push through it. Right now valued at $1.06, but remember that is the moving average, meaning as Friday and then next week play out, that line will continue to move itself lower and lower. So therefore that value is going to, go down in value also. But as of right now, yeah, $1.06. But really I'm getting ahead of myself because first the price just needs to simply stabilize and then work its way back upwards and then get up through 92. And then at that point in time, it makes more sense to be focusing more so on that 50-period moving average. What about levels of support going forward? Well, out of curiosity, when was the last time the price was this low, if ever? So, we are going way back into the charts history, and I realize that it's hard to see here, but like I said, that just kind of illustrates the fact that, yeah, it's been a long time since the price has been down this low. So next key level of support to keep an eye on is going to be right there at, we'll call it 75 cents. So I'm going to zoom back in. I think we'll lose track of that green line there, but 75 cents, next key level of support going forward. But as of right now, things are definitely looking quite bearish. But the interesting part and the worthwhile part about stocks like this is, when things get beat down like this in the amount of time that they're getting beat down, that can produce some very quick snapback type bounces. So from a trading perspective, worth keeping an eye on and seeing if we can get some sort of worthwhile, a movement back to the upside here. So worth keeping an eye on. I know I'll be watching it not only just Friday, but even next week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.